Today I am going to show you guys the quickest and easiest way to set up n8n with WhatsApp so that when someone message you on your business account, we can have the AI agent on the back end and responding to them, booking a meeting, whatever we want them to do. I took a WhatsApp trigger node and next I took a AI agent and we have used a Google Gemini chat model and also we used a Google Calendar to create the calendar invitation or create any appointment, and also a Gmail tool so that we can send an email to the user once appointment is booked. So now I will go through the workflow how you can build your own WhatsApp agent in your n8n. So you need to go to business.facebook.com to create your app. After that you need to just connect that app into your n8n. So first you need to log in your business.facebook.com. after that you need to create a business portfolio, and I have already created my business portfolio. So just click create a business portfolio. You just need to enter your business portfolio name. I can say AI Next Lab 2 and AI Next Labs 2, and you need to provide your business email to create business portfolio. Next I will hit create. Now your portfolio is ready. Just click, you can just keep or click on next. Now our business portfolio is created. Now you need to click on the business portfolio that you just created right now. If I click on the second one, that is the AI Next Labs 2, next you need to click on settings. Next you need to click on apps. Just click on apps. Next you need to create add apps. So you can see you have three options, that is the create a new app id, connect an existing app id, and request access to an app id. For this video I will click on create new app. You will be redirected to a different page. Next you need to add your app name. So I will write n8n test 2 and click on next. You need to create on others, that is your app will be created in an old experience, then you will choose from the available permission. You need to click on other and click on next. Now you need to select the app type. For this you need to click on business. Now click on next. Your app name, your app contact email, and the business portfolio, and just hit create app. You need to just enter your password and click submit. Next it will create your app that will be used in our n8n. So you can see we have now landed in the n8n test 2 app, and now you need to go to the WhatsApp section and click on setup. Using WhatsApp in n8n we need two credential. One is for receiving the message and another is for to respond the message in WhatsApp. Now I will click on a new workflow so that we can start from the beginning. So now you need to just click on add first step and type WhatsApp cloud, and you need to click on messages. So that means once you receive any messages in your WhatsApp business account, after that our AI will take that message and it will process that message and output will be sent in WhatsApp. So first I will click on WhatsApp trigger. Now you can see you need to create your credential. I have already added my first credential, so I will click on create new credential, and it is asking the client ID and the client secret. So now you need to go to our app, that is the n8n. I have created n8n test 2, and now go to app setting and click on basic. So you can see this is your app id and this is your app secret. Just copy the app id and you can just enter the client id, and next you need to just copy your app secret and you need to paste the client secret in the client secret section. So now if I click on save, it will show me that it will connected. Now you can see the connection tested successfully. That means now your WhatsApp will be able to receive the messages. Next, I will took a AI agent. So for that, you can just type here AI agent. That is our AI agent. You need to add a chat model. That means I will take Google Gemini, and also I will take a memory, that is the simple memory provided by n8n. We will use two tools. One is for booking any calendar and another is to send an email. After the booking confirmation done, it will send an email to the user. So I will just type Gmail tool, and the operation will be send. To send an email, you have to have your Gmail credential, and next the operation will be sent, and you need to just click on define below, and if I, and the email title will be text and message will be defined by model. So our AI agent will be handle this part on behalf of us, so we don't need to do anything. Next, I will take a calendar, Google Calendar. You need to just click on Google Calendar tool, and your operation will be create, and you just need to also click on the define by model, so that we don't need to do anything. You need to just select your email ID to create that event. So I have just select my Gmail ID. Now we need to add a WhatsApp send message. The operation will be send message. That means once a user ask any queries or send any message to our WhatsApp agent, and it will reply back to that WhatsApp account. So I will just click on WhatsApp, and now you need to create your new credential. That means to send that message, you need to create a new credential. That means the access token and business account ID to send the message to the particular user. Now go back to our app, and you need to click on WhatsApp and click on API setup. So you will landed to this page where you will get your access token, and also you will have your WhatsApp business account ID. You can see WhatsApp provide us a test number for testing purposes. If you want to add a business number, you just need to add your business name, country, and after that you need to set up your WhatsApp business profile and add that number and verify your number. But for this video we will go with the test number that we have received from Facebook. So now you just need to add your phone number to chat with the business account. So I will add my number with the country code. Now I will receive an verification code after verified. So now you need to create a generate access token. So after that you will get two options. This is the first option and this is the second option. I will go with the option into all current and future WhatsApp account, and I will hit continue, and it will just provide me the information that the manage your WhatsApp accounts opted in all current and future WhatsApp accounts. Manage and access conversation in WhatsApp. Just click on save. Now click on got it. You will have your access token. Just click on copy, go to n8n, and you need to just provide your access token here and the WhatsApp business account ID. Just copy this thing and enter your business account ID and click on save, and you can see connection tested successfully. That means our account has been created. So now I will select the WhatsApp account to API. Now you need to just select the test number. That means this is the number 555 645 445 and this is the number, and you need to add the recipient phone number. That means that is my own number with the country code. So you need to put your number, and next our agent is ready. Now we will check whether it is working or not. So you need to provide a text body. So as of now I will just add how can I assist you. So that's it. Next I will click on save. Now you need to go to your WhatsApp to chat with our agent. You can see the phone number 555 645 4465, and you can see this is the business WhatsApp business number. Now I will chat with my own WhatsApp number, and now we will chat with this number, and let's see whether our AI agent is working or not. So I will just click on, now you need to click on execute workflow, and I will just type hi. Now let's see whether our AI agent is working or not. Yes, our AI agent is working, and we have received the message from the WhatsApp trigger. Now we need to set our agent. So now I will click on define below, and we will just pass the body that is the user query. So now our AI agent is done. Next we need to add some system prompt so that it will work as per our expectation. So you can see this is my prompt, that is you are an schedule assistant. Our primary focus for this video is to connect with our Google Calendar and book an appointment and send an email. Next our AI agent part is done. Now click on execute workflow. Each time we need to just click on execute workflow so that it will listen our chat. Now we have received an error, that is the simple memory error. Now you can see this is the issue with the session ID. To get the things dynamically and save in our simple memory, you need to just provide your contact number, that means your phone number from where you are triggering the chat. So that means it is your personal number. So after that you need to just, now we will write hello again, and sorry, we just need to click on execute workflow, then just type hello, and you can see we have received a response from our AI agent that how can I assist you. Now I will, now you can see our AI agent is working perfectly with our WhatsApp agent. Now we need to just modify our workflow little bit, because we have entered a hard coded value, that is how can I assist you. Just you need to delete these things, and you need to just drag this output that is provided by our AI and provide the output of the AI agent, and now our workflow is completely fine. So just I will just click on active workflow so that we don't need to click execute workflow every time. Now I will enter the same message. Now you can see in second we will receive some information. Yes, you can see our workflow is now active. That's why we have received this thing. Now I can help you the book appointment to do your full name, email address, the preferred time, so that you can see it is just asking me full name, that is, now I have put my name and email ID. Next I will put the preferred time, so I want to book on 26th of October 2025 from 2 p.m. Now I will hit enter. Let's see. Now you can see we have received a thanks Anup. You want to book an appointment on 26th of October 2025. Starting from, could you please specify the end time of your appointment or not? So I will say I will write from 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Now let's see what happened. Now you can see a confirmation email has been sent to my email ID with a meeting link. So now it's time to check my email ID and also my Google Calendar. So now let's quickly go to my email ID, my email, and now you can see I have received an email that your appointment is confirmed. That means, hello Anup Pramanik, your meeting has been successfully booked 26th of October from 2 p.m. to 2:30 IST. This is the meeting link, and you can see we have received that email. Now it's time to check our Google Calendar whether the calendar invitation is booked or not. I will refresh the calendar, and you can see on this is the October 2025, and on the 26th of October we received the meeting invitation, that meeting with Anup Pramanik, that is from 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. You can see we just entered that I want to book my book on 26th of October 2025 from 2 p.m. and from 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. So according to that, our AI agent booked the calendar for us. You can see this is a simple AI workflow that I have built with n8n and WhatsApp business account. So that's it for today's video. Hit subscribe, like and comment, and if you need any information from me, please let me know in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. So this is quite simple AI workflow that I have built with n8n and WhatsApp. Next we will be exploring little bit more with WhatsApp agent that you can integrate in your business. If you have any restaurant, if you are a pet care, or you are a service industry, you can have use this type of workflow to automate your process to send and booking information. And also it will provide multiple things we will discover in our next video. So till then, see you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys. Bye.